I remember one day I was telling them, say, and I miss me call Asu. Your room near any buffer. The moment I said, I call Asu house, it was uncle for a day. And then I'm up to about it. And I'm saying, why you every day you go to this, you suppose, go and make one. And I come here and say, oh, baby, now, people have issues with it. The amount coming from our end, a lot of people even don't want to. Open so we say Argentina we are Santini now kase we are Santini auka obi kase o free slave obi kase o free anwura obi kase o Fantini enye problem Argentina kase o ya Santini e wo say problem. And I think I did some analysis be Jumedie so now could take comments na say all because people even went to a sense that I was becoming troublesome. I'm sure them. I would never be like that. But no question say when you have a cash cow, tell me yo. Nanchie chimney nufusio pano. Yecheni ye. Nanchie. So nanchie na yen na chimney nufusio. O ma common no. The reason why every movie and every pass was census ABC Ashanti region and say what was said who honor say about to say the way a man who sees say about to anyone some any the way who shall send you was said near baby son and son. Hey, how you have a right to speak against it. Mame found 2020 elections. I'm on chair, mommy. Join me live on Facebook. That is Omannhene 3.1. Now, echo YouTube. Hear me. 2020 election. The last time I gave some figures, I think because I know many figures, no hunt, you know. Maybe I got it wrong. It's true. 2020. Greater Accra. NPP.
Omannhene 3.1.
NDC. Eno Peja mu Greater Accra. The Akoba Enye. Uba who say MPP Enya 1.250174 NDC nya 1.326596 Greater Accra MPP TMO 2016 Enya 1.62157 votes representing 52.4%. Ena NDC enya 946,048 votes representing 46.7%. And Ushama NPP enya 52.4 2016. Come to 2020. NDC had from 946,000 to 1.326596. NPP enya 1.250174. In percentage terms, NDC gaining 4.4%. So from 46.7 to 51.0. MPP reducing, they lost 4.3% in Greater Accra. The difference in votes between MPP and NDC in 2020, TMO,
Omannhene 3.1.
in 2020, only 76,000 votes. Greater Accra, MPP and NDC, the difference in votes, 76,422. Now let's move on to Eastern Region. Yanko Eastern Region. NPP nya 741,000 in 2020, 870 votes. NDC nya 472,042. The difference between MPP and NDC in the Eastern Region, you're a for say Eastern Region, they are the only region work Ghana, Papa, and Ashanti region, cry independence from Monkahono. Share 2016. MPP had 678,482, representing 62.4. 62.4. NDC had 397,549, representing 36.6. In 2020, NPP dropped, even though nominal figures were high, percentage-wise, they dropped 1.9% because they had 60.5. NPP's votes was 741,870. John Dramani Mahama increased his votes from 397 to 472,042, 38.5%. What was the difference in votes? The difference in votes was this. The difference was 269,828. Okay. Now let's come to Ashanti region. Yaba Ashanti, ma'am. In Ashanti region. So if I am talking about, say, Ashanti region to Abama MPP Jina Brania, I have figures to prove it. Share. 2016. NPP had 1.649949, representing 76.3%. NDC had 497,242, representing 23%. Now we come to 2020, NPP in percentage-wise lost 3.5%. NDC gained 3.5%. What accounted for that? 513,000 people in Ashanti region did not vote. So they had 1,793,629. From 76%, they dropped to 72.8%. So when I asked Argentina, Asante Mantem, the difference between MPP and NDC in terms of nominal votes, 1.140667. So 1.140 no. It cancel 9 regions of NDC votes. TMA. It cancelled 9 regions of NDC votes. And it left 101,000 behind after cancelling 9 regions. Okay. So if I say, Ashanti region has become an election machine because Greater Accra, the only difference between MPP and NDC was 76,000. The difference in Ashanti region is 1.14, 1.140, 1,140,000 votes difference. It is a if development, a bino. MPP are buying say or so man puntio kono satisfy. One more than about Bemwa, Timmy Busasenka was saying. Yes, you bear Santima interchange.
3.1.
Nungasa Kumono interchange. And need 1.5 years to cry. I'll pay Janimu. And Fiesiani, so I'm interchange. Every year, your catcher say feasibility studies are ready. Anaga Johnson, interchange. Ebesin them Fiesia, Yami Wakwaba. Don't know. I just say. Is this Boating? Tell me it's my frozen.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. This is Boating. Yeah, I don't know. Now, see, one project. a monumental wa Ashanti region. MPP for say one monumental project wa ha. Wa match obi.
With the MPP for chi.
Me ni MPP for chi. You see obia did you call it dim?
Oh yes.
Obia pre-con dim. It is if MPP say yaw analysis amaye no any figures say go on say election 2020 the difference in votes in Ashanti region was 1.140. Me did the Accra to change. The difference in Greater Accra was 76,000. The difference in Eastern region was 249,000. If a party is supposed to appease Omom to Abamana Kehimfa.
Akota 2020 elections no. So we Ashanti region vote NPP, any NDC you know vote to free. Na ye kase the other 15 regions na kano any a day quality upper president of Ghana Jomama EBT Nanado Danko Kufuado over 600,000 votes.
Thank you.
Say
we Ashanti region
2020 elections 2020 elections no. So we NDC vote omunya wa Ashanti region e to nchen. Now we NPP susu vote omunya wa Ashanti region e de to nchen ya. Na 15 regions no akwenta oke kabomu a ye tell say His Excellency the former President John Dramani Mahama we win elections no with over 600,000 votes. But so the Ashanti region e be ka ho a eno and Ashanti region extra 600,000
9 regions
at 400,000 go chirema MPP.
Thank you.
At 400,000.
So you are in the same tangent with me.
Emma MPP. Me know ya gene.
It is so because it was say MPP anya shekwa omucho omani na Asante me hunu mpuntu a. Wakabone.
Oh nkabone.
Let me tell you the danger that is happening in the party today. Where Anano Efiada, there was a very dangerous meeting in Greater Accra. Yeah, there was a very dangerous meeting in Bono. And yesterday evening, there was a dangerous meeting in Ashanti region. Almost say, party no baby, enya stroke. Enti Omannhene ya going into 2024. A Kobi you mutu MPP, I'm sure Metsi Omo. Asma mekan. Penifo tie me nyira nim say no kra etinra numre ye soma ekuku dam emoma be hye kumase amekasa no pe ya omo ne penifo no be hia e yaw 600 people met yesterday.
You pass
600 400 met at Bono. Greater Accra they were 250. Former DCs, former MPs, former ministers. Party faithful Somalia disgruntled in MPP. Asma meka obimra bontin me kan chem se me boa. Yesterday I spoke to about Nipanumbi. NDC peniphobi enso no me kasai.
3.1.
They were even telling me say asem we mama nkoka. So when some of us we sit here and we tell you say don't think say all is well. Now I say amemo onye Ghana nkwa na ho che Ghana nko kire no obi a ho kire no owiase. But party people are disgruntled. Now NDC as a party almost started a branch ward. They are preparing themselves. And party faithfuls in MPP feel say party now are lopsided. I am lopsided. And Omo Mugwas and Timantem was to be running mate. Flag bearer. Already no be running mate in Tino. Womo kutia womo diem. Said the bear. Sabaumia winia, Obenya running mate. Alan we need ya onya. Ashanti region. And to that you be election machines. Kwabri fosu, Mansu fosu, here play kwai. Omoki comes acquire within 1 year. Missy Greater Accra. There is complete transformation in Greater Accra.
3.1.
Kokade. Wa hini krom kwaso. Na koye kade kwan. Utwa kade fu akoma eto fam ombeto am MPP. It's good because tradition goes on. Uko voter regional. Hey, Opa voter region ye the obeye bia chomuti. It is in their blood. So you can't change it. But people have taken this nation for granted. You don't vote for elections just for voting sake. You to aba prim puntio. When I'm a kana, ebi mo yam to show am Jubilee House on. You to aba prim puntio. Why you in Akwaba? How was your weekend?
Oko
Bibi abako.
Mami ada mami ngode.
Any other. Onye so ne yam de pa.
And I say mo too many agu me so.
Obi am to na ni so.
We can do fine.
You see I was here for say do fie. And I say your friend Osa.
Bi am mame.
O ya o da be.
Me ama.
Anya say fra me sa.
Amesa na amedu fi.
Amesa lumba mame.
Kemprango so ya na no nye.
Lese ma 2D. Osa fra me sa.
Mate.
Okay. Osa I want to say.
Akwaso asanse.
Oh, magia.
Osa I want to say.
Akwaso awa hunani.
She.
We friend obroni ani ba.
Fra. Ono na gina no. But your friend Mrs. Boateng.
Hey. Mrs. Bolton.
Thank you very much. Okay. And you go ni nyina ko gina say. Ehu be ya say MPP. Mo wa santimantem ha. Mo mpanifo e deda mo ano e wo party ni mu no. Omo ma omo ho so. Na say 2020 513,000 people antoaba. Utie de ya bo amade to ho. Say yi Ashanti region vote free mu a. Your mama win election no. Ya de be ka ho a a chubby BM say 400,000 which at the MPP. It tells you, say, they were put to a man of no or the Bobua won't chiri. Or so said to Kasembi, one Asante Asia. Na yentia some more kind. Say, my cradwa. Ya cradwa yente.
Sompana 3.1.
Okay, we'll get a sound and then we'll play it nicely for you to hear. Na Bibian Costo, na Yankoyanim. I have never been tribalistic. But Sami Busa said, I didn't put your ma baby. Obi wo Bono or Easton or Greater Accra. Na Enyaman Koyo or Greater Accra, Honotia. Odiso Busa, Yente.
Asante semuhia asante semuhia adan na wo no no nua wo ya asante ne wo ya adan na mo de mo fere se mo fata so onya ebi ye de obi ntien adan ye de wo koya na afere adan na wo adwuma no nua wo ya asante ne wo ya ampase enwuma mu krata wo fata so onya na so kompeso de man no esa so ndo ya asante nkase ko doni kase won qualify for man da so nim se de sitie no abena no tipo wo ho ane na ampeso de man na ye ni ani twetwe na akoko ye ni ani twetwe na akoko ye ni ani ye ni do ye nkoma ye ho ebi mo kuma ye ho ye ni ye nuru ye kuma ye ho ye ni dodo sakate ye nkoma ye ho ede na beba se na ni ye mo ba cheche bi ba fam ti mo enei se mo yakin ho apom ne se adwina sandema ho de mo mi enkuya ho ye man ye ye disi ye boy ho ne ye man ye ya bien we betumi atete mu bien we betumi ama se pasa wo bibi ne entimi mo asante se mu hia mo asante se
Okay, and see, I'm so said to okay, yow. What's that? And no pay over charge also.
Let me say meet you.
Now we have food town.
Me at you say. Only 81 no pay.
What you make
only 81 no pay. Tidy here.
Yeah. Assembly nyina yetiawa.
Mo de mo fa me too many.
Me de me fee say. Emra so say. I was say you develop your mind nyina. Na mom. So wo na ntwi a ni nufusuo osade kodwa so nya sika ma oni nkuno asoma amaka no yeah remember you Safma for commenting me I don't mean how serious it was say asema I was say Ghana for be man you
3.1
and MPP as a party papa no our eastern region there no there anytime papa be kase bia they are recording no they are beto abonte over kan be call elections or say part of this country omumfa hema eso ye de sika ko hwe Emma opposition so musa and they I'm telling you right up spa Professor J.H. Prempe ho kata bia reply on the amount safomafo no ya o make kire wa
meridi kakra
oh the boy fu say adai e gon komodie na na die it had nothing to do with Asante region so adentina Asante for cry ye ko ye independence no mon come. It was uncalled for, but it was an in camera discussion. Why should it come out from their own fold?
Before Ghana no na a amama bi oho
1870.
Yes, before Ghana near the Northern Territories.
That's right.
Made up of Gambaga Fono, Tamale, Bole, Wa, Navrungu, Boko. No omo belonging to the Northern Territories here. No omo no omo di omo. No omo di omo ho omo ti omo baby as the Northern Territories. And na ye baby to say the Trans-Togoland.
That's right.
Omo so no omo di omo ho
Transvolta Togoland.
Transvolta Togoland. No omo di omo the Kratchis Pando. No omo so omo di omo ti omo baby.
Kwame Nkrumah koye plebiscite.
Yes.
E ma omo be kan Ghana.
Yes. No more di omo ho omo ti omo baby na ne wa Asante made up of Mampong, Kumase, Jaso, Bekwai, na ebisi sisem be mintimi boboni the old ni nyina na sisem na ya Asante a eno so tene baby a no de ne ho ena na ye wo the Gold Coast colony.
That's right.
Eno na osafomafo ka ho asem na eno no made up of Emprayeso, Inchi, Takwa, Cape Coast, Takoradi, Winneba, Accra, Kita, sa area ho. And then the Gold Coast colony. Omona na abrofo na tete wo mu. That time na Asante akon edene ho a na Asante epe omanya yo as a country. That time na the Northern Territories akon ade omo a omo pe omanya yo as the Northern Territories. Na Volta Togoland for no so akon deda ati omo ho omaji omo ho se omo so omo pe so omo yo man a wu komo a obaje visa de akọ the eastern part na no muntimi nkoye. That time na Asante kono okoka kire eastern region for no say moma se ne enko omanko na Asante ko ne kon okono kon wieye ene ode ne ho a oye ne man asasante man. That time mo anko no na mo ne nkranfo no gusu na mo kom mo ne abrofo na ekun. That time
mo ne abrofo na eboso
ene na eboso ho honom na Asante ade ne ho de da na Asante doesn't care about the ekoso eastern region ne Greater Accra honom because no ode ne ho. So I say it is answer now what can say emra na ye ko epe independence wo na wo kupe independence na Asante was independent did that
it was Ghana and a back united
until say wo mo kwotena say ye nyina ye nka mom let's fight na omani nyina anya omamu no if you na a friend say papa yi omo boni din say
Chamia
Kutonom enyina de omo ho baji mu a ema independence no a na omo so omo pe no emu be ye du. That time and the Eastings and the Greater Accra for no na brofo ni chief omo so a ubie wa no a na ya che ubie wa no a na ya che omo tin say ye che obi wa Asante ye che obi wa
Sergeant Ajete.
That's it.
That's it. Bakuru dey say odate lam temu atipo cooperative ko that time no be antimi ankobi because na Asante ya so kokuta no
efrimra alaram ponsa ne Victor Usu eyi efri wo mu pem so mo join actively CPP amiyako e de agi independence no that time no and that independence ko no emu be ye du be ye kompa. That time I know the Eastings ne voter for na no money abrofo no eye no and na obie wa no want to ane ache.
Is the one thing we should understand. Yahweh, remember to us. One thing we should understand is say, on the very day, the big six, no, they were about 10. Bebre were able to escape.
Oh, yes.
The Omo Echi Womono, and a big six.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't mean say independence, no. The big six, Najima.
It's a contaminated me person.
Sako, where we are
for say. On a nation kwasumo na santin shem kwasumo. It is an incense na sabi obiena nubia na ye tantan tan na tete o man ni mu no ebe ya onka na ntum. Say biti baby omfa bibia mre o man no but ye ne yesese sika ne ye de kwakwa o. No.
You don't do that.
Why do you say
Puno enclave? The basket,
the food basket.
It's almost Enkasa.
Papa, you are about time.
Western region. Say oil. This year to oil. Western region development banner. Akoso since I oil.
Yes.
Development bay. It's almost sorry say. Omannhene to oil. Now Asante over 100 years you 2 gold waha. Takwa you 2 gold waha. Takwa force only 2 gold. Penny kasa Emma and Titimu.
Penny dia ubia wa no a okafie bom. Okafie nyina bom say ye frukru mu ade.
Adia it's time and
Penny wo jai na kunta me set me kan ya ma bia che ne say on na senkwaso mu ba na Asante senkwaso mu. Na Asante de no it is Asante so ma Asante be fra mu Eastern region for no some meseni enko samo anko na Asante ko no ko di nkunim din ho
northern territories but that time other than northern territories omo di omo sa kasa no so
e ni oto no mo okeka no
na pay 20 dia betima ma membuo na kwa animu no enu bi ni ye gi independence na we ka ho is that the reason enu dey hear
ye ti kura yi mu ade mu ntimi the gospel truth and koye anu na pay attention na monso to near out.
Now you are special advisor to the president.
Afuto we na the president.
Now they said they
afuto we na papa ya safuma for the president yana. Afuto we anu the president.
It is sad.
On give us a break no nya ne o cheche no.
It is sad.
Wanu bia tan na titi o man ni mu sa na we say na we say anyway pani a wasan ka okasa e kan kwada bom.
Look at the issue of the public sector is choked. Obekai. And at that time now, Okanwe Yade Chia, now perform a list of the family members.
Yes.
It's uncalled for. Sir, I buy to me Fanny Pebuntino. Meanwhile, at that time, no, I buy Fanny Pano. Now, when they were going to elections, a dear Bakwa Greater Accra, a DMPP Nyapa was Crow, Obekai Crow. $1 million. Every Domlevon in Tokwa, civil society, now sorry, Tia, MPP Abaya. They say, Yenya made a far ma or more, and they lost the election when they were expecting about 53%.
Advice Ben or dema president ya CD ni dollar ni aye advice papa Ben or dema president ho economy ni aye ya petrol yentimi to bibia bo kosuri papa ya asafuma fu nti to president fu awie wo ho na wo betete o mani mu sei no mani mu tete ya ka papa ya asafuma fu watnam amene wo maye adwuma o senate wa bra ye fa ba adwuma fu aye
1992
papa ya asafuma
na pani ye adwuma kama Kobusa near Rollins the year Yasafuma. It was young executives in Ashanti region.
That time I see region for no money. You know, okay, can
you see, we shouldn't do this thing. And now why you say we free her. No,
Bianubia. Now the entity mu it's
and the party for no so yaw Eastern region for no so almost soon shaggy. Because I said Bia Papa can be another bonting. There were people within the party. So, Papa, no, it was Omannhene ban who's one.
No, can say they are muda
and come farmer Monte. Meno,
a samna no canon. A Kuman and Yesio, a Nucromo, dear, and Yesia, the idea on common. And uncommon, I ye, dear no, if he could see here, san komo ne ba mu
It has nothing to do.
no meaning say nipa na na esi ho no
No, man, you-
pene san komo na wudi ne so nti na bi record wa omo de aba bonte sa mansan ei muntie ye papa ne se ne tirim akonte se ne ahye
akoma ma na pie.
Yes,
The abundance of the heart. Trust them, neka.
that's it it papa ya asafo ma afade we no na koma mu nsam e na okeka kire Ghana fo no
Say
Asante
na ye ka regional region nyina na is
de na isi region de Magana de strong kokwa na isi region de Magana ono no to ono ni kro ma chem da akwan waye
Basa tobo.
Untenable.
nipa ni bi
Let's tell the penny for no. Yeah, I want you to anymore. She said, Nipa or no open assume Giajo no one. You don't also bring that thing.
Yeah, can family memo dear. Yeah, right, as a for my phone. And yet, the can I can say some way beneath. Waka and Kay. Me kasa me achimuni ti me betana asuso ne so. Baby a o man ye duru no. We ye beka say ye kru da ye barbaric. A twam a cake. Baby a Ghana ye duru ni ye ni abie no. Niema we no mwa emfam puntu ma. Ti o man waka ankoye yaka kakra. Eye.
Wo hima o yini u ka ba ko.
Na ya boa me tumu nchen.
Won tumu ba no tu wo betum. Wo yini e ya de.
Say me so len kwa.
Wo yini won so len.
Say me achimuni.
Dari
Eti na mo na mo ya.
Wo yini.
Tumu katia.
Wo yini. Ah just wo ya mo. Bayan kan na ka kire. Osafo ma fo so won sisa.
Dabi o ma.
O ka ba ko.
Na me
enye. What can be enu?
Na me ka me lifestyle sa na enye. Ah. Wanyini wo na che.
wonyini
na
won traffic
ya former MC ya
o ka ba ko le aka na ye o ka ye nye o ka ye de nye na wasa ka bi o na se wo mu
animu di aya
na se si a wonyini
wonyini ni jina chimfo anem we de mo fa nche wai
o jira ho anem
achimfo anem but ya safo ma for the more serious no papa no wonyini nyama bi wo ho atiti abusu amenya sakasa enye kura nsese enra me tip kura na mse die no papa panimu adie no odan na wo kana ya bo ameka no adie na wo ho bibie ni wo yeso yakam te said ya santifo akam wi said ya santifo to aba ma MPP o ma twa ma boy yenso ya twa yabo no dan de me pompa said this time around no wo to skirt and blouse wo punish MPP and punish wo MP because almost starting on after David be almost chechere by say one party chairman ko wi adade and no mo de chechere so ana one mo de atu no atu abana ma chairman foforo 80 ama o dan say kwasi akwane so abeti MPP di mu say jay oni ne group gina fa na obi nso de gina fa to almost say skirt and blouse o dan be ba so na me pe say so mo yen
Sumpa TV Emma Aketriapa.